Hey guys, I am Flo. For new family members, everybody welcome. Once again, I come to you with another yummy recipe. Yes, I know, it's becoming a cliche. Every day I end my videos with yum 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 as I encourage you to try each and every recipe. But you see these yam balls, they are in a class of their own. If you try this recipe and afterwards you do not sell your most prized possession, your house, your car, your phone, yes, a lot of people would rather be homeless than have their phones taken from them, yes. If you do not sell any of these prized possessions and buy yam with the money so that you can prepare more yam balls, come to my house and beat me, okay? Here are the ingredients you will need. You can scale them down if you do not want as many yam balls. I start by cooking 2 of the eggs till hard boiled. Then dice the peppers. I'll only use half of the paprika. Add scotch bonnet to your taste. If you are using Nigerian tatashe instead of paprika, you may want to skip the scotch bonnet. This is because while paprika is not spicy at all, Nigerian tatashe is spicy depending on who you talk to. The Yorubas usually say that tatashe is not spicy at all, but as an Igbo girl, it's spicy to me. So yes, add hot peppers according to what your taste buds can handle. Here's how I boil eggs so that they are not overcooked. Once it boils, I let it boil for 5 more minutes. Then take it off the stove. Let it sit in the hot water for 2 minutes. Then decant the hot water and pour cool water. Slice up, peel and cut the yam into small cubes. If you can't buy yam where you live, you can manage sweet potatoes. Rinse the yam cubes. Then pour water till just under the level of the yams. This is the quantity of water that will dry up by the time the yam is done. Add the black pepper and seasoning cube. Cover and cook for 30 minutes on medium heat. You see, almost all the water has dried up. Add some salt. Add the cubes of butter. and set that aside to cool down a bit. Next, we fry the onions and pepper, and I will not let an opportunity for me to sneak in my favorite carrot oil pass me by. Wink, wink. The link to how to make your own carrot oil will pop up on the screen right now. Fry the onions for about 2 minutes. Add the pepper and stir fry for about 5 minutes. When the yam has cooled down a bit, mash it up. And add some creamy pig milk as you do that. The pig milk will ensure that the yam balls are moist when you bite into it. All done now. Remember, we are not trying to make pounded yam here. A rough mashup will do. Add the fried pepper and onions and mix. Set some vegetable oil in a pan to heat up. The oil should be about 3 inches deep. This is the perfect hard-boiled eggs, no dark marks. Mold the mashed yam into balls, inserting 1 piece of egg in the middle. Do the same for the remaining mashed balls. I decided to mold some into egg shapes. When the oil is hot, whisk the remaining 1 egg. Coat each yam ball with the egg before throwing into the hot oil. Do not overcrowd them and stir it often. And once it shows the first signs of browning, it's done. Here they are. And again, yum, yum, yum. It's so yummy. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. It's so yummy. This one is so yummy, trust me.